It's a war. They paint it clean and start a war. A borrowed gun, a borrowed son. He won't come back, he's someone's son. A letter comes, a silent knock. A photo shakes in kitchen light. They praise the brave, they praise the strong. But mothers know when faith is wrong. Tell the truth, don't hide the cost now. Every flag is paid in Los Boys. Hey, Russia, open up your eyes. Stop the statement, scripted lies. Russia, open up your eyes. Bring the boys back in the line to rise. In the line, in the line. Yeah. Open your eyes, open your eyes. In the line, in the line. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Whoa, yeah. New graves grow fast behind the line. New names get filed and left behind. A man who can't replace the sun. It shines in dark when he is gone. No mother raised a boy for war. No father wants to count no more. So break the spell, unlearn the lies. Russia, open up your eyes. Tell the truth, don't hide the cost now. Every flag is paid in lost boys. So Russia, open up your eyes. Stop the statement, scripted lies. Russia, open up your eyes. Bring the boys back in the line, the lies. In the lies, in the lies. Yeah, 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 Открой глаза, вернись домой. Не корми страх своей войной. Пусть каждый сын вернется живой. Пусть мать смеется не с тоской. No more trains into the night. No more special dressed as right. Name it war, then stop the war. Bring them home through every door. Say it plain, no alibis now. You can't call murder peace, not once. Russia, open up your eyes. Stop the statement, scripted lies. Russia, open up your eyes. Bring them